I'm Zach.
And I'm Cole.
And we live in Broadmoore Heights and Moore. I think we started looking at this company, the builder, for like over a year and a half. And I drew pictures of the vision I had. And one day we just drove by and the house was exactly how we wanted it.
We chose Tabor because the quality of their homes were just so much better than everybody else's, and you could really tell. We didn't get to pick our floor plan exactly because the house we found was already finished, but we had planned on getting that floor plan anyway, so it worked out and the house was exactly how we wanted it.
The cabinets, the countertops, the finishings, everything was exactly how I had planned it when I was going on the site, because the site allows you to kind of pick and choose and design your own house, and we walked in and it was exactly what I had designed on paper.
Tabor made it really easy. They were very supportive and guided us along the whole way. If we had questions, they answered them promptly. They just made it very seamless and easy experience.
My favorite thing is going to be the bathtub and the outdoor fireplace. Those are my two favorite things. I love the water tank system. That's one of my favorite things. We never have problems running out of hot water. There's always hot waters. That's probably one of my favorite things that I didn't expect.
The really nice that all the homes come with sprinkler systems. It makes a huge difference. And
the tornado shelter already there for safety, and it just makes you a little bit more comfortable, especially living in Moore. We have tried to actually get my grandparents to move into the house next to us, but then it sold. But yes, we're trying to get them in there.